Hi everyone, welcome back to Sans Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. This video is in collaboration with Here's Your Crown, Women Supporting Women. And this is hosted by Connie's Nails and Creative Creations and Devin over Freckle Mom. I'll leave the links of their channels as well as the playlist of all the participants in my description box. This is the final reveal of my tray, you guys. I'm so happy and excited how this turned out. I got inspired from Adrian's full-time DIY mommy, and she made beautiful trays, and I like this hexagon shaped tray. And this is basically one of the picture frame from Dollar Tree, and it's a good size picture frame, you guys. And that was in black in color, and all I did was I just stuck glass gems, the flat glass gems, and I stuck all over the picture frame like you saw the process. And I painted black first, and on top of it I just distressed with some white paint with my stencil brush. And for the picture frame, the back of the picture frame, I just got one of the gift wrap paper from Dollar Tree in the gift section, and I like this beautiful sea green with white flowers on it. It reminds me of sea and summer and beach, so I kind of like that print, so I thought I should give the background. And I stuck glass on top of it, and I also used the thin rope from Dollar Tree, and I attached with one of the black pedestal from Dollar Tree. So it's basically Dollar Tree project, you guys. I'm so happy how this turned out. It has done so many trays. I would call her like a queen of trays if she would take the title, and I hope she likes it. So this is in honor of her channel and her DIY. So this is your crown, Adrian. And thanks for inspiring me for doing this project. So I love this project, how this turned out. I'm going to decorate with, I just scattered some greenery like she did, but I'm going to put some more like candles and stuff like that because I want to recreate just like hers. So I just gave the greenery over there, but I'm going to use it differently. So yeah, this is one of the cute tray from picture frame, and I'm very much happy how this turned out. I hope you also like watching and walking along with me. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.